Hello, this question you see on the board is from my inbox. Someone sent it to me and said I should make a video explanation of it. The questions there are all fractions, and the instruction is to take it to a decimal. Okay, so I'm going to change all those fractions you see on the board to a decimal using the division method and the shortcut method. Let me put it that way: the shortcut method and the division method. First, I'm going to start with the shortcut method. Now, when you are taking a fraction with a power of 10 denominator to a decimal, it is pretty easy. Just remember that the number of digits in the decimal part should correspond to the number of zeros in the denominator. What did I say? Remember that the number of digits in the decimal part should correspond to the number of zeros in the denominator. So let's change it, this part, using the shortcut. Now the first one, we have 3 over 10. How many zeros do we have in the denominator? 1. And this fraction can be read as 3/10. Since there is just one zero in the denominator, the decimal part, the numbers there will only be one digit. So we are going to make 3 the number that will appear in the decimal part. 3 being the numerator will be the only number that will appear in the decimal part. And this is how you do it. Place your hand there and move backwards once, one time. So we have 0.3. As you can see, we just took 3/10 to a decimal. How many zeros do we see in the second one? 2. So I'm going to place my hand there and move backwards 2 times. 1, 2. This empty space, I'm going to put 0 there. So in decimal, we have 0.01. There are 2 digits, 2 zeros, and in the decimal part, we have 2 digits, 0 and 1. For number 3, place your hand and move backwards 3 times. 1, 2, 3. 0, 0. So we have 0.007. So we just did the short form method of taking these fractions to decimal. Now let me show you how to do it using the division method. 10 is the divisor, 3 is the dividend. So let's go. 10 will be outside, 3 will be inside. Now 3 will be divided by 10. Is it possible? No. So we put 0 up and a decimal point. At the same time, we give 0 to 3. So we go back again. 10 into 30. How many times? 3 times. Write your 3. Next, multiply it. What do we have? 0.3. Now let's look at the second one. 100 is the divisor, while 1 is the dividend. So let's arrange it. 100, 1. Now 1 will be divided by 100. Is it possible? That is, 100 persons will divide 1, or we share one item. Is it possible? No. So we do 0 point. As we do the 0 point, we give 0 to 1. 1 becomes 10. Now we go back again to 100. Is it still possible for 100 to go into 10? No. So what do? We give 0 up and give 10 0. 10 becomes 100. So next we go again. Is it possible for 100 to go into 100? Yes. How many times? 1. So we do 1 times 100. 100. 100 minus 100, 0. So equal to 0.01. And finally, 1000 is the dividend. Sorry, 1000 is the divisor and 7 is the dividend. So let's arrange it. 1000, and we'll put 7 inside. So 7 will be divided by 1000. Is it possible? No. You write your 0 point. As you do this, give 0 to 7. 7 becomes 70. We go back again. 1000 into 70. Is it possible? No. Give 0 up, give 70 0. So we go again. We now have 700. Can 1000 go into 700? Still no. So we give 0 up, give 700 another 0. So 700 is no longer 700, it is now 7000. So can 1000 go into 7000? Yes. How many times? 7 times. Write your 7 here and you multiply. So 7000 minus 7000, 0. So what do we have? 0.007. I hope this video helps. See you in my next video. Bye bye.